Hey Flow Racing, we are here in Austin, Texas at the Flow Sports headquarters with some of the biggest names in motorsports. We are here to announce a one-time drag race unlike anything we've ever seen before. Almost $1 million in purse money put on by the Pro Board. Members like Tony Stewart, Richard Freeman, Chad Head, Michelle Domagala, Scott Woody Woodruff, Wes Buck and the gang at Drag Illustrated, Bob Tasca, and more. When you have names like that, you're gonna have an absolutely epic event.
What's up, everybody? Good afternoon. Welcome to our little get-together here at the beautiful headquarters of Flow Racing in Austin, Texas. I'm joined on stage here by a group of people that I am humbled beyond measure to be seated alongside and mentioned alongside.
Drag racing is obviously a super exciting sport, and this event's going to give us the opportunity to showcase that in different ways.
This is going to be a whole different format, something completely off the wall new, where it's a chip draw. You go through qualifying, you don't know who you're running until Flo is standing there filming us and we draw the chip, and I've got to run this person or they got to run me. And there's possibly going to be some trash talking. I know I'll talk some trash.
Everything that Flo puts their hands on turns to gold. They know how to do it right. They know how to take care of every sport they're covering. Flo is going to expand on all the stuff that really show these drivers and teams' personalities. And
so I think that this is going to be step one to an incredible future with Flow Drag Racing and the drag racing community.